Finally, Sayjel Patel, we've already introduced, will be joining the panel. Thank you all for being part of our panel today.
Thanks, Greg. So my powerful idea is synthetic 15-minute city data, which is using algorithms to create new knowledge about the 15-minute city. And so by that, I mean using artificial data to fill in gaps in real data to understand cities. And so just zooming back about our work, big picture, our goal is to make the most user-friendly platform for zero-emission building design and neighborhood design. And one of our research streams is synthetic data. And why we're focusing on this as a kind of big effort is, well, we understand that data can be a powerful tool to understand the complexities of urban design and use. There's a very unique challenge in the building industry in that, unlike say like IT or finance, data is like immediately digital. In our world, data is like often trapped in the real world. And so this really inhibits a lot of the understanding and things we can do. And so what we leverage on our team with our expertise around design computation and software building is the ability to generate lots and lots of synthetic data. And this year, we're actually working on creating a data set of 100 million synthetic building designs that have been fully annotated. And I know what everyone's saying, like, okay, so what? Like, what does that even mean? But this is actually enabling some really exciting.
I'm sure they're not saying that, Sayjel.
Yeah, enables some really exciting results. So we've been able to use this data, synthetic data, as an input for off-the-shelf AI models. And using these models, we can create fast, accessible, and user-friendly types of analysis to drive more carbon neutral designs in terms of building impacts. And so we've already built tools looking at daylight, microclimate analysis, ventilation, and even embodied carbon around the superstructure of buildings. But where this becomes super fascinating is we want to apply this concept to understand the quality of neighborhoods. And so what we're working on currently is coupling synthetic data with crowdsourced data to create tools that can evaluate the quality of a 15-minute city. And like Carlos kind of pointed out in his presentation, that the 15-minute city is not static. It changes based on the city, based on the climate, based on the demographics. So instead of having one static indicator, we can use ML to create an adaptive 15-minute city-like assistant that will work and adapt to a specific context. So that's what we're working on currently, and that's our powerful idea.